welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be comparing, sorry, I need to put this back together, but the Denman brush versus Tangle Teezer. So I already have a video comparing the Denman brush with my fingers, and I will leave that linked up here. And then I have another video comparing the Tangle Teezer with my Flex Vent brush, which kind of looks like a wet brush. So everybody that has seen those videos have been asking me to compare the Denman brush with the Tangle Teezer, so here I am today. I'm so excited to see this for myself. So my hair already dried up, but I have my handy dandy spray bottle. This is a continuous spray bottle, and I will leave it linked below. It's freaking amazing. I already put some products in here. I applied the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then I also applied Diva Curl's Ultra Defining Gel. I will also leave those linked below. But basically what I'm going to do is compare the detangling and also compare the styling of these two brushes. But I did already detangle my hair in the shower, but like right now it's like back to being tangled up because it dried up. I'm just gonna start with the Tangle Teezer on this side. This is my left side. Already you can see how smooth it gets, but the real test is at the ends where there's a lot of tangledness going on. Ever since my last video where I did the test on the Tangle Teezer, I kind of got more of the hang of using this brush, and I actually really love it now. I still don't like it to detangle my hair when it's like completely knotted. I love it for like distributing products and to like get it just super detangled. So you can see how smooth it gets my hair, and it just clumps it all together. Okay, so that side is detangled. Now I'm gonna detangle the other side with the Denman brush. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side, just re-wet it. Okay, now I'm gonna begin to detangle. Since I've already used both of these brushes before, I'm just gonna give you my thoughts as I'm doing this detangling process. I don't like the Denman brush for detangling my hair, but I know that for more coarse hair and more coily hair, it actually does such a great job detangling. Like, once my hair is detangled, it does feel nice using the Denman brush, but when I'm trying to detangle it with a lot of knots, it just rips my hair out and it just does not feel good to me. But now that both sides are detangled, I just want to show you guys the difference between these two brushes when I just brush my hair straight down. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. The reason why I'm adding water is also to remind you guys that these brushes are made to use with wet hair. So what I like to do is just use these brushes in the shower. It makes my life easier, it'll make your life easier. Just do everything all in the shower so you don't even have to think about it when you get out. So I'm gonna get close so you guys can see what happens when I use the Tangle Teezer. Do you see how smooth my hair is and how shiny it is just from that one stroke? And then I'm gonna take the Denman brush and show you the same thing. See how the Denman brush kind of just like has each row separated? It doesn't look as shiny, it just looks like it's separated. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm gonna show you the bristles of both brushes up close. I also need to mention that I took out one of the rows on here. I really don't know what it does, honestly, but a lot of people do it, but it's hard to like put the bristles back in. So yeah, that's like the main thing I see different, is that my hair just comes out so shiny and smooth with the Tangle Teezer, and then with the Denman brush, it's like I definitely feel it's like detangled and nice and ready to be styled, but it's not as smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Mr. Right by Diva Curl, and this is just a curl refreshing spray. It gives me a lot of hold, and I like to use it in between wash days to just refresh my hair. Remember, I already have products in my hair. Now I'm gonna begin with the Tangle Teezer. What I do is I just take small sections and then brush it at an angle so that the bottom curls up, just like this. And then I just shake it up and then scrunch. Okay, I'm gonna add more water on the rest of my hair. It's feeling a bit dry. I'm just gonna speed this up and just do that throughout the rest of my hair, just taking small sections. So I feel like another difference between the Denman and the Tangle Teezer is I can actually get away with doing much bigger sections with the Tangle Teezer because of how big the brush is. Like, look how big the paddle is. It's really big, so it fits way more hair, and it evenly distributes product and it evenly brushes it out. You can also see like the bristles on the Tangle Teezer. There are like bristles in between the bristles, so that's why it gets so close. But now I'm finished with that side, and I'm just going to spray it more with the Mr. Right just to lock everything in. Okay, now I'm going to do the Denman brush side. I'm gonna focus on smaller sections with the Denman brush just because of how small it is, and I can't really get away with doing big sections. So I'll start from the bottom. At an angle, shake it up, and scrunch. And already I'm seeing such a nicer curl pattern. Like, look at that. Which one do y'all think is gonna win? Comment below before I reveal to you which one wins. Wow. Look at that. I did not see that with the Tangle Teezer. Sorry, not sorry. So I feel like the Tangle Teezer also has so much more control. I feel like I don't have to hold on as much to my hair when I'm doing this. And then I just take it off and shake it up. I kind of want to do another section of the Tangle Teezer just to show you how easy that was with the Denman brush. Okay, I'm just gonna do a couple of these top pieces on the Tangle Teezer side just because I feel like it wasn't wet enough. And on top of that, I just want to show you how easy it was with the Denman brush versus the Tangle Teezer. So I'm just gonna redo this whole section. Yeah, see, that's more wet. You want this to be really wet, so my hair did dry up as you saw. Just gonna do this. See how it like falls out as I'm like twisting my hair? Yeah, see, that looks so much better. That's more like it. I might have to redo the whole side. Now I'm done with both sides, and I just want you guys to take a good look at it while it's wet. You can see the Denman brush side has some definition at the roots all the way to the bottom, and the Tangle Teezer side actually looks like it has more volume and definition at the bottom, and then the top is like more flat, but both sides are more flat at the top. there's just more volume on this side. But I will be back when my hair is completely dry to show you guys the final results, and so we can see which one wins. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is like 80% dry, but I'm super late right now, so I'm gonna just insert clips later on to see how my hair looks when it's like 100% dry. But I just wanted to come here to show you guys what it looks like so far, and I noticed a lot of things I want to talk about. So you guys might be familiar with my Denman brush video, and the curls came out the same way as that video, where they are super loopy, super coily, super curly Sue looking. And then for the Tangle Teezer side, I'm surprised it came out, I don't know, less clumped. It's like there's more volume on the Tangle Teezer side, and I still really like how the curls came out. I feel like these types of curls are more apparent. Like when you just look at my curls right now, see how this side is more flat and then this side is more voluminous, and you can see more curl pattern on this side versus this side. So remember, this is the Denman brush and then this is the Tangle Teezer. So for me, I love volume, but I still love that coily definition. So I don't know if I can really pick a side, because I have my days where I want this type of look and I have my days where I want this type of look. Let me just stand up so you can see also the ends. It's crazy how the Tangle Teezer side actually has more, jumped up more, and this side is like down here. That kind of tells me that this side is more defined. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's not like completely dry right now. So if you want to get a bang for your buck, I would say like the Tangle Teezer would work better if you have my hair type, because you can detangle your hair and you can style it. But with the Denman brush, I personally do not like detangling my hair with the Denman brush, but I love styling it with the Denman brush. It's all just gonna depend on your preference. If you want to get both brushes, go for it. I'm gonna leave them in my description. Overall, I'm just happy with the result, and I don't look like crazy where like one side is dramatically different than the other. So I'm about to go, but I will insert some pictures and clips of what my hair ends up looking like throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're team Tangle Teezer or if you're team Denman brush down below in the comments. I would really love to know which side you're on, which is your favorite. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.